A linear inequality is a mathematical expression that describes a region of the coordinate plane that satisfies a given inequality. It is similar to a linear equation, but uses inequality symbols such as greater than, is less than or equal to, greater than, lek, greater than, is less than or equal to, or is greater than or equal to. Jek is greater than or equal to instead of an equal sign. The solution to a linear inequality, a shaded region on the graph, indicating all possible values that satisfy the inequality. Understanding the graph of a linear inequality. To determine the linear inequality represented by a graph, follow these steps. Identify the boundary line. The boundary line is the equation of the linear inequality without the inequality sign. If the graph shows a dashed line, the inequality is strict less than, or greater than, meaning points on the line are not included in the solution. If the graph shows a solid line, the inequality is inclusive is less than or equal to. Lek is less than or equal to or is greater than or equal to. Jek is greater than or equal to, meaning points on the line are part of the solution. Find the equation of the boundary line, identify to points on the line and use the slope formula. M equals y to y1 x to x1 m equals frac y underscore 2, y underscore 1 x underscore 2, x underscore 1 m equals x to x1 y to y1. Use the slope-intercept form y equals mx plus, by equals mx plus, by equals mxb, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Determine the shaded region. If the shading is above the line, the inequality sign is greater than, or GEQ is greater than or equal to. If the shading is below the line, the inequality sign is less than, or lek is less than or equal to. Test a point. Choose a test point, commonly 0, 0, 0, 0, if it is not on the boundary line. Substitute into the equation. If the inequality holds true, the shaded region is correct. Example. Suppose the graph has a boundary line of y equals to x plus 3, y equals to x plus 3, y equals to x plus 3, and the shading is below the line with a solid boundary. The inequality is y is less than or equal to 2x plus 3y. Lek to x plus 3, y is less than or equal to 2x plus 3 if the line were dashed. The inequality would be y to x plus 3, y to x plus 3, y to x plus 3. Conclusion. To determine the linear inequality represented by a graph, analyze the boundary line, check the shading direction, and verify with the test point. These steps ensure the correct inequality is found for the given graph.